Alright, welcome back everybody. My name is Pritesh here with Kaizen Crypto, bringing you another video. So I hope you guys are all doing well and that you're having a great day. Lots of exciting developments within the cryptocurrency space today. Woke up this morning, knew today was going to be a great day with the IOHK January product update, but I was not expecting this. A new Grayscale trust filing supports Cardano, ADA, as well as other top cryptocurrencies. Sharing with you all some details regarding this interesting development. Talking more about DeFi. What will decentralized finance look like on Cardano? Just sharing with you some key points that make Cardano different than other smart contract protocols. Charles Hoskinson dropping more breadcrumbs. Is it me or is the red ball guy starting to look a lot more handsome? Yep, and the little bird gossip is also pretty reliable, looking like February is going to be a great month. We saw the IOHK January edition product update from Tim Harrison and Aparna Ju. They did an excellent job. I was very excited about this product update. If you missed it, not to worry, sharing with you some details on what you can expect in our recap video. And I wanted to also go into some more broader cryptocurrency news with Robinhood as well as Coinbase. So lots of interesting things to talk about here in this video. All of that coming up right after our sponsor. Our sponsor for today's video is Fire Stake Pool, a Cardano stake pool bringing financial freedom to the next generation of investors. Fire Stake Pool is doing very well, minting 7 blocks already this epoch. Their active stake is up considerably, and it looks like those rewards for their delegators are going to be very nice this coming epoch. So if you're interested in helping to decentralize the Cardano network and bring financial freedom to the next generation of investors, be sure to delegate to Fire Stake Pool, ticker FIRE. Thank you so much to Fire Stake Pool for sponsoring today's video. So to get things started, really incredibly exciting news with Grayscale. Of course, you guys know Grayscale has been accumulating Bitcoin and Ethereum in their Grayscale Bitcoin and Ethereum trust, and they're not slowing down. Now it looks like they're looking at other cryptocurrencies to add to their investment trusts. Now, full disclaimer, it doesn't necessarily show that this is completely confirmed, but each respective community is bullish as ever on these cryptocurrencies. So if you hold some of these cryptos, it's pretty cool to see Grayscale showing some interest in these top cryptocurrencies. However, a word of caution, it does not guarantee any future launch, and I just wanted to show some of the other cryptocurrencies that they are considering. So they are talking about EOS. You guys know what was going on with EOS and Dan Larimer. We've also got XRP somewhere in here. So there's some questionable tokens. So this is on the Delaware.gov website. This is the Department of State Division of Corporations. I'll leave a link to this website down in the description below if you did want to check it out. What you want to do is type in the entity name. In this instance, it's Grayscale, spelled with an A, not letter E. I made that mistake before. And if we take a look, just scrolling down, we can see that these are some of the cryptocurrencies that they are interested in. So Aave, Basic Attention Token, Cardano, Chainlink, so definitely some decentralized finance plays in there. EOS, so questionable, and XRP, you know, they're looking at some privacy coins as well, which is interesting. They've got Monero, Zcash. So pretty cool. It's interesting to see that they're expanding their horizon with some of these cryptocurrencies, and Cardano among one of those cryptocurrencies. So taking a look at that page, it's saying that this is not a statement of good standing. This incorporation date was submitted just yesterday on the 27th. So this is fresh, hot off the press. So we will keep an eye on this development, hoping to see this actually come to fruition to allow support for ADA in Grayscale's Cardano Trust. Taking a look at DeFi, what will decentralized finance look like on Cardano? This was a really well-written article by Elliot Hill of the Cardano Foundation. Just wanted to briefly touch on some key points with the highly anticipated Merry hard fork bringing about native tokens on Cardano, taking us one step closer towards a full Goguen release. He highlights some of the benefits of DeFi applications on Cardano. Namely, we can see some of the key points he talks about are going to be lower transaction fees. I know that's a big one hitting home for a lot of people, especially those of you who have submitted a DeFi transaction on Ethereum. You guys know all about that. Very expensive to be able to interact with the blockchain. Another is going to be token and smart contract security. So in contrast with Cardano, tokens written on Ethereum are considered non-native. In other words, they are not supported on the underlying ledger. In contrast, tokens on Cardano are native, and what this means is that tokens representing assets on Cardano use token logic that runs directly on Cardano's ledger. So this is making the entire protocol more secure for all these DeFi tokens and applications that will be launched on Cardano. So being able to fund DeFi projects to attract DeFi developer talent and funding new solutions on Cardano. What we're going to see with this new Fund 3 is $500,000 in funding to allow for these developers to start building these applications. So really cool. Just to go over some of those key points again, just a TLDR, there are no execution fees payable when transferring native tokens on Cardano. There's no minimum custom code required to launch a user-defined token. There's also no custom code available to exploit in the deployment of user-defined tokens, and DeFi will ultimately become more affordable, more secure, and easier to launch on Cardano. So really exciting things happening. We did also get the IOHK product update that happened today. If you did miss it, not to worry, there were a lot of exciting things that were talked about. I'm going to be putting together a brief recap video for you, so if you do want to go over some of the highlights, be sure to hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell so you know exactly when I post that video. Charles Hoskinson anticipating to something coming up. It's going to be big. We know it's soon. Is it me, or is the red ball guy starting to look a lot more handsome? So I thought this was pretty funny. I saw this on Twitter today, and I think this kind of alludes to what he was talking about with this little bird. So the little bird landed on his shoulder and told him that February is going to be a really good month. So interesting to see. I know that IOHK is putting together something incredible along with many members in the community. The Cardano project is really shaping up to be a force to be reckoned with in 2021. Looking at the broader cryptocurrency ecosystem, we saw some crazy things happening today with Robinhood. We were seeing things like Dogecoin just completely pumping, with what happens on Reddit and social media like TikTok. So crazy things happening there. But one thing that was very interesting was that shares of AMC and GameStop were restricted on the Robinhood platform from retail users. Now, what had happened was the share prices of these stocks went up considerably, and people like retail traders were not able to access the Robinhood trading platform. On Thursday, Robinhood users filed a class action lawsuit against the company's decision to restrict the transaction of individual investors while allowing hedge funds to trade the stocks freely. So what we saw was almost like a big pump and dump kind of thing, with AMC and GameStop shares falling by 50% on this news. Another thing that I found very interesting was Coinbase is officially announcing a bid to become a public company via direct listing. Such proposed listing is expected to be pursuant to a registration statement on Form S-1 with the Securities and Exchange Commission. So they've already announced this filing with the SEC. About mid-December is when they filed. So taking a look at what this means, Coinbase told shareholders that it would launch a secondary market for its private stock on Nasdaq Private Market. I wanted to just touch on that very briefly. It is expected that Coinbase will tap into the public markets via a direct listing rather than a standard IPO. The debut is anticipated to draw significant interest. Pre-IPO contracts are trading on FTX, valuing the Silicon Valley unicorn at more than $70 billion. So pretty interesting. The cryptocurrency industry is front and center in the public eye, and it's going to be very exciting to see all these developments happening. All right, everyone, that is what I have for you all here in this video today. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please be sure to drop a like for me. It definitely does help support the channel. If you enjoyed it, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to share it to spread the word about Cardano. All right, everyone, thank you all so much again, and I will see you all in the next video. Take care.
Sugoi.